Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys? Here we have a 2003 Chevy Impala. We're going to be doing some videos today. If you need parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. To check the brake fluid, we're going to check it at the reservoir. We're going to want to wipe it off with a rag first. Wipe the cap off. You don't want to get any dust or dirt into the reservoir. So that's pretty good. Take off the cap, and then you can see where the brake fluid is. And what I do is just shake the reservoir a little bit. You can see where the line is. There's a full line over here, a max on the side, and a minimum, and we're right in between that. So we could top it off. Since the fluids level is a little low, we're going to top it off. I'll use a funnel. Make sure it's a clean funnel, and I'll use the appropriate brake fluid. You can check the owner's manual to get the appropriate type of fluid. Just top it off a little bit. And that looks good right there. You want to make sure you don't drip any of this fluid on your paint because it will ruin your paint. I'll take the cap, reinstall the cap, line it up, and turn it to the right.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.